My name is Mike Ciesielski, and I'm the CEO of MimiVax. We're a small biopharmaceutical company in Buffalo, New York, where we're developing a cancer vaccine for brain tumor patients. Our drug, Cervax-M, is being used in phase 1 and 2A clinical trials for newly diagnosed glioblastoma patients. Our recent phase 2A trial showed that the overall survival for patients receiving Cervax-M was nearly double of what would be expected for standard of care. Likewise, the progression-free survival in these patients was also double of what would be expected for standard of care. We're actively moving forward to study this drug in a phase 2B randomized pivotal study designed to establish accelerated approval through the US FDA. We're here fundraising and offering opportunities for partnership to continue the studies of Cervax-M. Glioblastoma patients represent a severe unmet medical need. Cervax-M is a cancer vaccine that is transforming the lives of newly diagnosed glioblastoma patients. Those patients on our phase 1 and phase 2A clinical trials saw nearly a doubling of their overall survival, as well as progression-free survival. The vaccine itself is a unique form of immunotherapy, reining in both arms of the immune system to produce both a cellular CD8 and CD4 T cell response combined with an antibody response, leading to a very robust overall immune attack on glioblastoma brain tumors. Myself and the rest of the management team at MimiVax are uniquely positioned to see the Cervax-M through its eventual approval due to our background of being the actual co-inventors of the vaccine and our academic affiliations through Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center in Buffalo, New York. My background is a PhD molecular immunologist, and our CMO's background is an active academic neurosurgeon. We have a great deal of experience working with vaccines as well as the neuro-oncology field. Taking that to the company, we believe we are very well positioned to complete the journey of bringing Cervax-M to patients. The glioblastoma market is a severe unmet medical need. There are approximately 13,000 glioblastoma patients newly diagnosed every year in the United States. But beyond that, Cervax-M has applications to many other cancers, as the target, survivin, that's expressed by tumor cells is actually present in 95% of all cancers. Therefore, while we are focusing on a neuro-oncology condition for the initial indication of Cervax-M, it has widespread applications to other diseases such as multiple myeloma, neuroendocrine diseases, and even potential pediatric applications. Cervax-M holds a number of competitive advantages. One being that it is an off-the-shelf pharmaceutical that is stored in pharmacy until time of use, doesn't involve patient materials, at the same time provokes a unique immune response when delivered to a patient. And that unique immune response harnesses both arms of the immune system, the cellular arm, which involves cytotoxic T cells, cytotoxic killer cells, as well as antibodies. And both of these modalities target the tumor simultaneously, producing a very robust immune response. To date, Cervax-M has been studied in both phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials for glioblastoma, as well as a phase 1 for neuroendocrine tumors and another phase 1 for multiple myeloma. The most recent phase 2 for glioblastoma was a multi-center trial open at 5 prestigious cancer centers across the United States. Additionally, Cervax-M was awarded an orphan disease designation by the FDA in 2017, which will help propel its progress towards eventual